The years of your existence wrapped in Yeshua's perfect timing. While some live in trouble, others in sinking sand, there are those who live rest assured, because he that lives in them is greater than he that is in the world. The sum of your being teaches what you've done with your time, the actions you took, the dreams you delayed, the thoughts that never left the page. Remember, we don't have forever to be here, so while breath still fills your lungs, ask him to teach you to number your days and apply your heart to wisdom. Now, this is my allegiance to the one who called me into time before my existence. I am staying planted. Happy birthday, Abigail.